again. Supermoto Sunday. Woohoo! Thought I'd bring you out, guys, down these lovely twisties. Just keep it sensible speeds. Down through Magna. Oh my god, what's this, a 20? I know I said sensible, but... So we're out on the KTM, and KTM again. This is the winter bike. It's not going to remain in this guise for much longer, guys. Yeah, lots of changes coming. I've got another tank for it. This tank is a bit shabby. All the white is actually been wrapped in some white wrap, and the white wrap is coming off. And the rest of the panels have been painted, and the paint is coming off, and the stickers are incomplete. They're not very good order, really, the plastics in general. So I've got a new tank for it, or a replacement tank for it, which I'm having painted black by a good friend, and I think that's going to look rather spiffing. All new plastics for it, and a sticker kit. Nice urban camouflage. I wouldn't give away too much, but it is urban camouflage, I guess, ish. A bit garish, but I think you might approve. Yeah, and it's going to look nice. Anyway, let's get in these twisties and have a bit of a Supermoto Sunday. She's due a bit of a service at the moment. The battery's a bit iffy, so I don't think it's running as smooth as it could. I'm pretty sure it needs new plugs. We'll go this way. Yeah, I've got some new plugs for it. I've got oil. I've got a K&N air filter for it as well. I'm going to stick that in. It needs a service. Not had a chance to do anything with it really, apart from stopping it from overheating, which seems to be still doing the trick. Yeah, so external mic is on, by the way. Right, here it comes. National speed limit. Off we go. Supermoto Sunday. Never thought I'd be saying Supermoto Sunday. I never really saw myself on a Supermoto, but I'm so glad that I have actually gone with this bike. It's gonna save the Ducati, to say the least, throughout the winter. It will save me from going insane, because I really can't cope with not riding during the winter. So yeah, hopefully we are not going to get a white winter as has been predicted, so I've seen. Grizz, my ass still hurts. Yeah, I've seen. I don't watch the news, so Grizz misses out on quite a bit, I guess, of current affairs, on things that are going on. But I have heard on the grapevine that we're possibly due a lot of snow, and early on. It seems to be dropping off temperature-wise, doesn't it? I think it is. But I hope we don't. Or I'll have to stick knobblies on this bike and then go and have some fun in the snow. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Quite like that, actually. Oh, let's have some snow. Some knobbly action on the snow. Yeah, so Grizz also has been battling with this stupid fibromyalgia, which is just making me hurt like hell. My ass, it feels like someone's attacked it with a cricket bat. I mean, maybe that should be a baseball bat, but any kind of bat really. Maybe like a table tennis bat. Is that a racket though? Tennis racket. Is it a table tennis racket or a table tennis bat? Yeah. So yeah, it just feels bloody sore and bruised, and like it's hard to sit down. And this seat on the KTM isn't really the softest. Although, to be fair, it's really not that bad. It's just that I'm focusing a lot of my weight on my bum a lot. And yeah, it's a bit tender. It's not. really a good subject, I know. Someone walking a pigeon off the road. Whatever next? Oh, it's the tunnel of love. Let's get it on. Rev Bond Tunnel. There's another tunnel of love. Hark at the noise. Tunnel vision. Side stand. How immature is Grizz? Alright, it's motor on. Supermoto Sunday. What's this truck doing? Look at him, he's like weaving the web of life. Daren't overtake him, probably crush me to death. You're quite safe, mate. You're weaving like that. I'm just uninterested. Been a long time since I've been out this way. I really ought to get out more. It's not really kind of sports bike territory, although I guess it is. It's quite twisty, but it does feel very apt for the kind of like the right place to be on the Supermoto. Right, let's see if we can have a bit of fun. A bit of legal fun in the back lanes. My ass is still so sore. Oh, I should be going home really and just resting, but Grizz wants to make the most of the weekend. I'm very inclined to go back and take out the Ducati 916 as well. Although I did vow I was going to do some work on it before I took it out again. I want to change the brake fluid and yeah, just give it a good checking over and make sure all is okay after its first little shakedown. But yeah, I can't do it all. I can't like... which way to go now? Winford. West Archery, Bristol Road. I think we're going to go this way. I did want to try and find the lakes, but I'm not sure where it is now from here. So let's go back up this way. Yeah, I don't want to waste the day sat at home editing or even working on the bikes when I could be out riding, because we've had so much rain as late that it's not even been funny. So it's just nice to get out and have some relatively good weather. This is good, it's very good actually. It's a little bit cold, but not too cold. So yeah, just inclined to ride, even though my ass is like falling off. I still want to just ride. So I think I might go home, put this bad boy in the garage and take out the other bad boy, the 916. See if I can take it up over the gorge this time without getting it filthy. Maybe I can do a little recce on this one and then come back and take up the 916. Anyway, I'm just learning more with this bike now, kind of seating position, if you're the more relaxed you are in your seating position, like further back almost a little bit, the easier this bike is to ride, and you just like ride it through your bum, through your hips. And like with a sports bike, you're always like, well, through your shoulders and elbows, I guess, and your knees, leaning out with your knee and stuff. But with this, it's just like you steer it through your ass, basically. Such a fun bike, such a very good fun bike. What a giggle! Oh, what such a laugh! I Gert laugh so much. I nearly defecated myself. Oh dear, so good. So much grunt as well. This bike is an amazing bike, really, all considered. Its age and condition really isn't kind of A1. It's not bad. It's going to look even better soon, but yeah, it's still giving barrels of fun. So good to be able to do that, really, with a bike, still getting in good use out of it, just like I want to with that 916. You know, admittedly I'm not going to ride it as hard, and I'm not going to use it as much, but when I use it, I want to use it, you know. I want to get and flip and enjoy it. I'm going to be in so much trouble when I take out the 916. My ass is going to be in tatters, but I don't care. It's Sunday. We've got to go. Got to do it. Carpe diem and all that shite. Fucking idiots. Always got these people doing those U-turns. Like, I'm just doing my manoeuvre, everyone can wait. Well, not really a good idea in a national speed limit area, is it? I mean, admittedly, Grizz was going a bit quick, but, you know, just pull over, wait until it's safe, then do the manoeuvre. To be fair, he may not have seen me, but the amount of times I've been out, driving, riding, and had people just stop right in front of me and just do a manoeuvre, and I'm like, Jesus, what happened to the whole pull over, wait till it's clear and safe, then do your manoeuvre, reverse it on your drive, do a U-turn. No, it's like, I'm doing my shit, you have to wait. Sorry, Grizz's bum is just seriously in tatters. Yeah, very frustrating, but there we go, didn't end in tears, all is well. Grizz needs to slow down. Thank you. Right guys, that is it. That is enough for today. I hope you've enjoyed Supermoto Sunday. Supermoto Oh, people enjoyed Supermoto Sunday, innit? Yeah, so yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it. A few thrills and a few spills. Thankfully no spills though, actually. I'm going to go back, see if I can get the 916 out before it bloody rains. Probably won't rain, will it? It's probably just this silly, moody weather. Anyway, I've had far too much fun on this bike today. Love to you all, and we will speak soon. Anyway, bye-bye. Love you all. Bye. Bye-bye.